nations, yachts, football teams.
Gus, I said I found gold.
I know. I can see. It's fantastic.
You didn't find gold.
What?
It's mine, Gus. I'm rich. Finders keepers, and you didn't find it.
You mean low down, greedy, selfish skunk.
I don't have to listen to Joe's rantings of the poor.
Fine. Okay, it's all yours.
I know.
Can't spend it anyway.
What?
We're on a desert island, remember?
Oh no. I found a treasure chest of gold, and I'm going to die of thirst before we're rescued.
I found water.
You did? Thank heavens we're saved!
No, Alf. You weren't listening. I said I found water.